Welcome to the PocketCodr counter tutorial. Make sure the smart sensor is mounted in the holder and the target is positioned correctly. The sensor is connected to the PocketCodr through a cable. Open the PocketCodr app and view the main interface, including the sensor info, live data graph, widgets, and internal sensor signals. The smart sensor is set to detect the gear teeth. Now we want to count the number of teeth. Select the measurement value and SSC1 to display live data on the graph. Turn the gear target to observe the communications at each tooth. Click on the counter widget and select the measured signal. You can now turn the gear to see the counter increment at each tooth. Congratulations! You've successfully set the counter on your smart sensor. Learn more at AutomationDirect.com, the #1 value in automation. Click here to learn more about the PocketCodr and our entire selection of IO-Link and smart sensors. Click here for more videos.